Projectors are designed to create bright, focused images on a single fronto-parallel plane. As a result, they have large apertures and narrow depth of fields compared to cameras. In this video, we see the projected image going out of focus as we move the board from the screen toward the projector. In this work, we present novel methods that exploit projector defocus to robustly recover scene geometry, as well as enhance the quality of displayed images. Here we see the projector and camera used in our system. To avoid missing parts in scene recovery, we have made the projector and camera coaxial using a half mirror. Our method starts by capturing images while projecting shifted versions of a single periodic pattern, such as the stripe pattern shown here. A total of 24 shifts are used in our implementation. The projection defocus is then estimated for each of the scene points, independent of its texture, ambient illumination, and neighboring pixels, using only its intensity variation over time. Our first scene with books and wooden blocks has very sharp depth discontinuities. The temporal defocus estimation enables depth estimation independently at each pixel, preserving the sharp discontinuities between neighboring pixels. Such a depth map cannot be obtained using existing triangulation-based methods such as stereo and structured light. Here we show novel views of the computed scene. The scene is now texture mapped. Using the computed scene geometry, we can synthesize images of the scene with different focus settings. Notice how different scene regions go in and out of focus based on their depth. In this scene, the toys have curved surfaces that are also specular in reflectance. Even so, our method is able to produce a clean depth map. Notice how the two faces are brought into focus in the refocusing sequence. In this scene with leaves behind a fence, the occlusions are very complex. A complete depth map of such a scene, like this one computed by our method, is not easily obtained by stereo or structured light methods, even when a large number of cameras are used. The 3D model reveals the complexity of the scene. The synthesized refocusing video captures the way the scene would appear through a telephoto lens while its focus is varied. Here we see playing cards located at 4 different depths in the scene. It is very hard to automatically or even manually segment the cards in this scene. The computed depth map gives us a clean depth-based segmentation of the scene. Using the depth map, we can now insert a moving hand from another video clip with all the desired occlusion effects.